my very eyes, you were sleeping beside me with a smile on your face. This is not just a dream. Waking up could erase. Oh, it seems too good to be true. Is it really me? Is it really you?
Is it me? Is it you?
I can't believe I'm waking up with you. Is it really me? Is it really you?
Is it me? Is it you?
I thought for a moment, not sure what to do. Should I hold you? Should I kiss you? Should I risk waking you? Do I bring you some coffee or breakfast in bed? Or should I just be selfish? I can kiss you instead. Oh, it seems too good to be true. Is it really me? Is it really you?
Is it me? Is it you?
I can't believe I'm waking up with you. Is it really me? Is it really you?
Is it me? Is it you?
Gee, it's better than dreaming. Turned out better than all my scheming. You weren't here yesterday, but you're here this morning, and maybe all day. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Made love this morning, so this time I'm sure this is not that old dream like many before. Now I don't have to wonder as I used to do, 'cause dinner for two is now breakfast.